Okay, peeps, is your AirPods low? You can't hear out of them very well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that low issue. And if your AirPods look like this, I'm going to teach you how to clean it just like the Apple technician cleans it. This, you won't be able to hear out of it. The wax not only covers what you can see, but it also gets into the speaker holes. If you look closely deep down into the speaker holes, the wax get into it. So this brush right here, I'm gonna leave the link to it in the comment section down below. You can get it on Amazon. That is the tough section. This is the soft section of the brush. This brush is the horse hair brush. So it's horse hair, yes. And this is the only way to clean your AirPods properly. You're gonna put your AirPods just like you see I got mine. Get the brush and you're gonna rub it like you're brushing your teeth. And rub it and rub it and rub it. Don't be afraid to press down. This is exactly how they do it in the Apple Store. I took my AirPods to the Apple Store a couple of times. That's how I wind up finding out about this brush. You rub it, you keep rubbing it, you keep rubbing it, keep rubbing it. And what happens is the horse hair is so coarse that it goes down into the little small holes of the mesh. And that helps you to hear a lot clearer on your AirPods. So don't throw your AirPods out just yet. Once you follow these steps, you're good. So keep rubbing, keep rubbing. And once you rub, you get to the side now. You want to be gentle on the side mesh. It's not as firm as the in-ear mesh, okay? This mesh could be synced in. Happened to me on my last pair, so you want to be gentle with the side right here, but you still want to be a little bit rough. Find a little finesse. You know what I mean? A little finesse with it. And then you check it out. See, it's nice and clean. Nice and clean already. Look at the inside. Nice and clean. You can see right through it. Look like it's brand new. I like to give it an extra rub just to make sure because we don't want to put it in our ear and we're still not hearing. You know what I'm saying? And then that's it. You wipe all around it. You get the soft side of the brush now and you wipe the outside. Get rid of any residual that's there. You don't want to get anything wet on your AirPods as you might damage it. And you don't want to do that. These are very expensive. These are the AirPods 2 and you know they're not relatively cheap. So you keep brushing until it's good. And then you just jump on it to your next pair. But if you're not satisfied, you keep rubbing. You keep rubbing. When you go into the Apple Store, that's all they do. They rub it out or they ask you to rub it out because they don't want to be liable for any damages. But they give you the same exact brush. Don't forget to click the link in the description below and you'll be able to purchase this brush off Amazon. You know what I'm saying? That might be compensated if you purchase with the link below, but you won't be charged any extra money. Then you pick up your other AirPods. Check it out. It's all mucky. Now, if you're like me where your ears produce a lot of wax because you're a DJ or you're a producer or you just listen to loud music. If you listen to a lot of loud music, your ear is going to produce a lot more wax in order to protect your eardrum. So if you're like me and you got a lot of wax in your ears up there, then you need to be cleaning your AirPods. I would recommend once a week. Once you have these magic brush, your problems are solved. Trust me on this one. So keep rubbing. As you can see, I'm firmly pressing on the AirPods. You want to get all the bristles in there to go through those little pinholes. It's those little pinholes that help you to hear clearly in your AirPods. You know, I know you thought, oh, my AirPods need to be replaced, but no, this is all it needs to be done. It needs to be clean. And you don't have to be visually seeing the wax on there or foreign object. It's there. Once you get this brush and you rub it out, I guarantee you your problem is going to be solved. Please note, disclaimer, do this at your own risk. I won't be held responsible for any damages done to your AirPods. Remember, when you get to the side speakers, you want to be gentle. Once you get all of that goo out, and that's it. You just wipe around it, get it nice and clean, nice and finesse. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you a close-up picture of how the AirPods looked in the beginning and how they now look after I clean them. This is an easy job, relatively easy. Should take you about 4 minutes to do it. Anybody could do it. It doesn't take a technical skill set. Be sure to press down and rub that brush on the rough side of the brush. Okay, on the rough side of the brush. This is a horsehair brush. You gotta buy the specific brush. Any brush won't work. You see, it's nice and clean, nice and pretty. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we want. We want it to be nice and clean. And all you have to do after this is pop them in your ear, and I guarantee you, you'll be experiencing new quality AirPods like it's brand new out of the pack. You know, if I saved you some money, if you like this tip, please comment down below if you're still having any issues. Let me know if I can help you out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, you know, and this is what we do. We help you save money. And you just brush it, you keep it nice and clean. You see, look at that. Look at that. beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Nice and clean. You want to examine it? Look like it's brand new from the store. And that's how your pair of AirPods will look if you follow these simple steps.